Hello everyone and welcome to how to create the magazine website on Wix.com tutorial. Let's just get into it. So what you're going to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up to your Wix.com using a password, and a dashboard or this type of screen is going to appear on your computer. So what you're going to do is click on this create new site. When you click on it, it is going to ask you whether you want to create the site and get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. Let's just start a chat or set up without the chat. I would click on set up without a chat. Now you have to answer some simple questions and it will help you create a magazine website for you. This is the main step from which you would be able to select a template and choose a magazine website. For that, it is asking you what type of website do you want to create. I am going to type here magazine, but there are so many other options as well. Let's just check them out. There is an online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurants, or maybe the events. Let's just type here magazine because I don't think, even if you type magazine, there are going to be numerous options for that as well. Here, I type here magazine and you see there are so many options. Let's just see which one I would like to choose. Online magazine, magazine store, magazine illustrator, news magazine, online arts magazine, magazine photography studio, fashion magazine, literary, music, college, gaming, travel, food, interior design, teen magazine, sport. There are so many options. You see, even you can choose the baking one, online surfing, online skateboarding, online golf magazine. There are so many options. I am literally in love with Wix because of the incredible options available here. Let's just go with fashion magazine. Click on continue, and here you're going to click on skip if you don't want it. I am looking forward for the magazine ones. If you think that you are not sure about what you're going to choose, then you can simply select it in the templates as well. You see, this is my magazine website, so I am going to enter the name of the site according to my website or the magazine that I have. Let's just say it is the fashion trend. Click on continue. Now you're going to tell that what are your goals for this site. This will help you match your features or what are you looking forward for. Usually the magazines are to display the creative work, to build a community, to promote, to just explore. Continue. Now you're going to choose the apps you would like to add. Not only these 4 options, there are so many other options as well. These are forms, Instagram feed, blogs, or pricing plans. There are some other options too. For instance, online stores, bookings, events, portfolios, online programs, music, videos, chat. You see there's a complete whole lot of list that is present here. You're going to choose whatever you want. I'm just going to continue. You can also skip this part and decide it whenever you feel like deciding. Continue to the dashboard. Here you are going to go to your design site that has been selected. Now, the main and the most crucial part is that what is going to be the design for your site. Whether you are going to pick a template or you are going to generate a design. You can pick a template as well if you do not have any idea of your own. But if you are looking for something and creating something of your own and you have an idea of your in your mind, you are going to go to generate a design. But after clicking on generating a design, you must have the capacity to start everything from the scratch. This is much of a labor route, I would say. So I'm going to click on pick a template because I will not choose the labor route, of course. Here you see, since I had chosen fashion magazine, so that is why all of my templates are related to the fashion magazine. You see, there are so many options available here and the list that goes on. So let's just say I choose this one. Here, now now we see that there is Wix might take about 1 minute or two to load this template for you guys to prepare the site to add all the options. You see, this wait is worth it. It is because there are so many options on Wix for editing and all of them are secure. So I think it is worth the wait. Now you see there are so many options. You can add different elements. You can add sections. You can use the page menus. You can use site design or add apps, My Business Media, or CMS. First of all, I would like to check out if it has any other page. You see, you are going to go to menu pages. Here you see that it only has 3 pages: home page, graduation, collection, and about. You can adjust that where you want to put your about page or your home page. You can change the sequence. You can also click on all these options to delete or duplicate whatever you want to do. You can use options of adding elements, or let's just say I am going to get rid of this text and I'm going to click on edit text. From here, I am going to write here fashion trends, the name of what I'm looking forward to. I'm writing here fashions trends. And here you're going to add all the details what you're looking forward to. You can change the header. This is how it is going to appear. You can also check it out on the mobile mode. You see, the best thing is that you can edit your stuff in the mobile mode too, so that you will have an idea about how it is going to appear on a mobile. Here you see there's an option of preview. After editing all your stuff and adding whatever you want to add in your website of a magazine, you can click on the preview and it is going to show you how it is going to appear to your customers or your viewers. So if you're done editing, you are going to go to the publish option and you're simply going to publish it. But if you're not done, you're going to go back to the editor. You can edit all the other details as well. You see there is an option of AI. You can also use them. You see hundreds of options. You can use your brains to add different images. You can change the image, upload any image from your gallery too. I am not going into the detail, but I have given you a pathway to choose whatever you want. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.